Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about domain relational calculus, which is the second type of relational calculus. So what is the definition for domain relational calculus? The filtering is done based on the domain of the attribute and not based on the tuple values. In order to tuple relational calculus, we are perform filtering by using tuples or rows in any dbms. But in domain relational calculus, we are going to perform operations on domains of attributes. So like the query, domain relational calculus is here, where id and name are the column names over the attributes such that belongs to employee table and city is equal to Multan. So we are going to select two attributes which are the id and name from employee table and city is equal to Multan. Domain relational calculus uses the same operators as tuple calculus. It uses logical connectives like and, or, and not. It uses existential and universal quantifiers to bind the variables. Like here is the existential or and operator. Here is the belong operator, belongs to employee, but we can also use existential and universal quantifiers and or not operators. So now we are going toward implementation of this lecture. Select database. Like you know that these are the two tables in our database, and here is the employee table with id, name, salary, city and branch id. According to the calculus query, we are going to select id and name because it is domain relational calculus. So by using relational query, and that is select, now we are going to select id, name instead of all, instead of static, from employee table, and also with condition where city is equal to Multan, and control plus enter to execute the query. And here are the two records are selected with the city Multan. Now we can also select city and execute the query. So look at here, two records, two rows, two tuples are selected with the city Multan, and we are going to perform operations on domains, on attributes in this calculus, in domain relational calculus. So thank you for watching this video.